Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a swimsuit. Go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like here. I'm gonna go put it on, and you guys can see me wearing it in a second. Okay, so I'm wearing the swim trunks now. These are really comfortable. They have a little zipper over here, which is nice, so you can, if you're at a hotel or something like that, you can stick the room key in there and seal it up, or some cash, whatever. This side here as well. So here seems a little bit bigger, but there we go, and it zips up. You can see I'm about 180 pounds and 5'10", and I don't know if I got a medium or large, but it fits really well. It's good. I can totally sit down. It's got an inner lining. You see it's got the spandex kind of inner lining thing going on. So it makes it nice and comfortable with that as well. So this is really nice. And Yufawow is, I guess, the brand. But it's totally comfortable. I like it. It looks good on me. So ready for the beach and the pool. And I like it. Thumbs up for sure.